This is a review of the ICECO VL35 portable refrigerator. This unit was given to me, so it is a compensated review. I do want to let you know when I received the unit, it was in good condition from the packing that the manufacturer provided. It also has a very good instrument panel, and along with some extra parts, an extra handle and corners, as well as tools to apply those. It is also 110 as well as DC, and the DC plugs are actually on both ends of the unit. So as soon as you plug it in, the display will show the internal temperature. I had at 86, as you could see earlier. Here's the other DC plug. The unit does weigh 48.5 pounds. On the instrument panel, you can adjust the temperature up or down as needed. And you can see here, this is how the 110 is plugged in, and you can also see the cord there for your DC. There are also 2 USB ports, so you can charge your phone or iPad, etc. I've loaded the VL35 in the back of the Jeep here. We're headed off to an outing at Father's Day. It was wonderful. We could keep all our drinks. It also has a removable wire basket so that we could pull it out and put it back in with all of our party items. It did keep everything very cold, which was nice, but what I really like about it is how accessible it is. When we had it packed in the back of the Jeep, I could open it 3 different ways, so it didn't matter what was packed around it. And to me, that was amazing. As you can see here, you can open it from either side, and then you can actually open the whole lid all by itself in one piece. So for that, the convenience is amazing. You can have it set between 2 lounge chairs, and either side can access whatever's inside. I hope you enjoyed this review.